Good morning, students. Yesterday I have given you one homework of for loop. The homework was you have to print the cubes of first 5 numbers. So first I have taken class name cubes, class cubes, and public static void main string args. I have taken two variables I and c for storing the cube of a number. For loop I have taken I is equal to 1, I less than is equal to 5, and I plus plus. Now for calculating the cube of a number, we will just multiply I 3 times and we will store this value in the variable c. Now system.out.print cube in double quotes I have taken plus c plus your space, and all the three brackets I have closed. So how it will work, first the value of I is 1. So it will check whether I is less than is equal to 5, condition is true, it will multiply I 3 times. Now the cube of 1 will remain 1 only, and it will print your 1 in the output. Now in the next step, value of I will increase by 1. It will go into your updation part and it will increase the value of I by 1. Now it has become 2. It will give the value of I 2, and it will check whether 2 is less than is equal to 5, condition is true. Again it will go to the calculation part because condition is true. After going to the calculation part, it will multiply I by 3 times and it will get stored in our C variable. After storing it in the C variable, it will print the value as 8 because 3 times multiplication of 2 is your 8, and in the next step value of I will become 3. Now it will check what the condition, 3 is less than is equal to 5, it will multiply 3 times and the value will comes out to be 27. Now again I will get updated, I will become 4, condition is true, it will multiply 4 3 times, condition, your answer will comes out to be 64. Next the value of I will become 5. Now it will multiply I 3 times, that is 5 3 times, it will become 1 2 5. Now in the next step, when the I value will become 6, condition will become false, it will comes out of the loop and the output will remain like this. Now your next program is you have to find the square root of a first 5 natural numbers. So class name I have taken root, public static void main string args, I have taken int I and double s, because in this program we will going to use mathematical function mat.sqrt, which I think we have already discussed in our chapter number 8, your mathematical library function. Now we will take for loop I is equal to 1, I less than is equal to 5, and I plus plus. Now in s variable I will store this mathematical function mat.sqrt and square root of I. What this mathematical function will do, it will just calculate the square root of I and it will print square root plus s and plus space. Now output will comes out like this. The square root, first the value of I is 1. So after going condition is true, it will goes to this part, it will just calculate the value and its return type is double, so it comes out to be 1.0. Now in the next step, value of I will increase by 1, it will become 2. Now condition is true, 2 is less than is equal to 5. Now the square root of 2 is 1.414. Again value of I will increase, it will become 3. Condition is true because 3 is less than is equal to 5. It will calculate the square root of 3, it comes out to be 1.732. Now again it will update, it will become 4. It will calculate the square root of 4, it comes out to be 2.0. Now in the next step it will become 5. Condition is true. It comes out to be 2.236. Now when the value of I will become 6, condition will become false, because here condition I have put it should be less than is equal to 5. So condition will become false. The output will appear to be like this. Thank you, students.